Hi, don't forget to check out my course for the quant section of the CAT exam where I've explained all concepts, tips and tricks, shortcuts, and past year questions in great detail.
Hey guys, so this is the next question from CAT 2018. Please do give it a try. All right, now the question says the area of a rectangle and the square of its perimeter are in the ratio 1:25. Then the length of the shorter and the longer sides of the rectangle are in the ratio. Okay, so one way to solve the question is you can assume the length and breadth as L and B respectively. So the area will be L into B, okay, and the perimeter will be twice of L plus B. The square of this perimeter will be 2 square 4 into L plus B the whole square. Okay, now the question says this ratio, LB the area, is to 4 times L plus B the whole square. This ratio is given as 1:25. So basically LB divided by 4 times L plus B the whole square should be equal to 1 by 25. Okay, so basically we are going to get L plus B the whole square divided by LB is equal to 25 by 4. Now this numerator you can open as L square plus 2LB plus B square divided by LB is 25 by 4. Now you can separate the denominator here, L square upon LB, 2LB upon LB plus B square upon LB. Okay, so the next step will be L square upon LB plus 2LB upon LB plus B square upon LB is 25 by 4. L and L cancel, LB cancel, B and B cancel. We get L upon B plus 2 plus B upon L is 25 by 4. We'll get L by B plus B by L is 25 by 4 minus 2. 4 to the 8. 25 minus 8 is 17 by 4. So L by B plus B by L is 17 by 4. Now we can simply represent the right hand side in the same way as the left hand side is, right? The left hand side is L by B plus B by L. So if I call this as X, if I call L by B as X, so B by L will be 1 upon X. Same way I can split 17 upon 4 as 4 plus 1 upon 4. So that it gives you 4, 4, so 16 plus 1, 17. So basically L by B will be equal to 4 or 1 upon L by B, that is B by L is 1 by 4. As the question demands, the ratio of shorter side to the longer side is basically B by L. So our answer is 1 by X, that is 1 by 4. And that's option C. Now that's a very lengthy way to solve the question, but nonetheless, you can still get the answer. There is a much quicker way to this, guys. What you can do is you can use the options. So now what we do is we check the options. Okay, the length of shorter and longer sides, suppose the ratio is 3:8. Assume the sides as 3 and 8. That means the area will be 3 into 8, that's 24. Okay, perimeter is twice of 3 plus 8. Twice into 11, that is 22. 22 square will be 484. This ratio is definitely not 1:25 as we require, right? The ratio of area to square of perimeter should be 1:25, but it's not. Or option A is not the answer. Suppose the ratio of the sides we require are 2:9. So two sides can be 2 and 9. The area is 2 nines are 18. The perimeter will be twice of 2 plus 9, which is again 22. Again giving the square of perimeter as 484. Okay, again, this ratio is definitely not 1:20, 1:25, not the B option. Now, next option says, so here let's calculate the area. 1 into 4, the area is 4. And the perimeter is twice of 1 plus 4. That's 2 5s are 10. 10 square is 100. The ratio we require is 4 is to 100. That's 1 is to 25. Okay, and hence the answer has to be option C. That's a much quicker way out, I believe. Okay, but you just need to be very quick making these calculations. All right.